Hi guys, Richard here, Creative Cascades in Hertfordshire, England. I'm going to be building an ecosystem pond and waterfall over the next few weeks. Do you know what, it's a nice sunny morning, but it's the end of October. I'm a bit worried about the weather. There's going to be some challenges. Anyway, let me show you the rocks and why I chose you the rocks I did, because that's probably aesthetically the most important factor. Some pretty large rocks here, and I love them. The clients absolutely love them, I think, and some of them are over half a ton, because rocks like this, when you're building a water feature, look a lot more dramatic and in keeping. So here's the property, a lovely Hertfordshire cottage. It's got gorgeous sunsets. The clients are really, really nice, enthusiastic. I'm going to be putting the pond just over there beyond those aqua blocks, and I guess I better get on with digging and starting work. Here I'm setting up the intake bay, which acts like a natural skimmer, and there is the pump vault, and I'm just setting the water level so we know what our overflow point is. I'm afraid I wasn't able to do any more building work filming because the weather was all over the place, and the camera was steaming up, and I just needed to crack on. There was a lot to do. You can see I've pretty much rocked in now, just starting to put the various different grades of gravel in, and the pump is yet to go in. Now you can see in the foreground here, this triangle area is actually the intake bay, the natural skimmer. Water will pass over that so the clients can net out any debris that falls into the pond. Sucked into that area. It's very convenient, keeps the pond nice and clean. It's basically a mechanical filter. As it's visible all the time, the client will know when to actually net it out. So anyway, next thing you should see is some flowing water and the built beast. So Louise is the house owner here. Oh, the horse is off.
They're always very chatty.
I was just going to ask you, how, since you've had this done, has it changed the space or your life? What are your thoughts on that?
Well, where do I start really? It's made it beautiful and alive and quite mesmerising with the sound and the feel of it. And we come out a lot more now. We come out, whatever the weather, with a glass of mulled wine or a cup of tea, and we listen and we watch. And we can't believe how lucky we are really to have something which feels so natural and so alive in the garden, because before it was just grass.
Yeah.
And just felt quite sort of dead and barren.
Right.
So, yeah, quite a big change, really.
Excellent. Glad you did it.
Oh,
worth the money?
Oh my goodness, brilliant. Worth every penny and the rest. It's priceless. You can't really put a price on having something like this in your space.
Well, thanks ever so much. It's been a pleasure to work with you.
Thank you.